In this clip, we're going to roughly assemble a unitard. Now, when it was laid out, this was the center back. So I'm going to start, or let me double check. That's the center front. So I'm going to sew the two pieces together along that center front line. I'll show you this again with the gold unitard. And on this time, I'm going to use a serger to assemble it. So I sew the front to the front. These sergers are great because they sew rather quickly and they cut the thread as they go. And there's the piece. I think you can see how we cut it out. And here's the center back. And I'm going to sew from there to the open back portion. And again, on the serger, this goes rather quick and I hardly have to wait. Of course, the next unitard I'm going to sew with my original machine.